Hello, my technical friends. This is TestOut Linux Pro, and this is lab 6.1.6, and we're going to update an RPM package. So there is a kernel tools package installed on the server. The IT manager in your organization has asked you to upgrade the package using the new package version, kernel tools 10.21.2015-54.fc21.rpm located in the /root directory. Complete this lab from the terminal. So in this lab, your task is to upgrade the kernel tools package using the new package version, kernel tools 10.21.2015-54.fc21rpm. So that is all we need to do in this lab. So let's go ahead and start lab. So we'll wait for this lab to load. So in case you find this video to be helpful, you might also want to consider joining my professional membership, where you get detailed video guide on how to solve any of the TestOut lab. Alright, so we'll just wait for this video to load. Okay, so this the lab has loaded, and we'll go ahead and open terminal immediately. And we type in RPM space -u v space kernel -tools 10.21.2015-54.fc21.rpm. Then you press enter, and okay, so we'll go ahead and score lab. If you find this video to be helpful, remember to share in other platforms so that others can benefit also. Like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in my next video.